Funnest feature is it has a catwalk, so we're gonna stomp that runway, purse first. Today we're looking at 108 Woodbend Crescent in Upper Beechwood in Waterloo. This home is beautiful. I'm here in my party dress because guess what? It has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, an in-law suite downstairs with a separate entrance, but the funnest feature is it has a catwalk, so we're gonna stomp that runway, purse first. I love this kitchen here. There is so much room for anybody that you want to entertain. If you love to cook, this is your dream. There's this island, there's so much pantry space here in the kitchen and a little beyond, plus updated appliances, all this granite countertop, nice backsplash, solid wood doors, an absolutely beautiful eat-in kitchen with the walkout to the deck. This is perfect if you love to cook as a family. Teach your kids how to make pasta here because there's so much space to do it. Here we are on the upper deck. It is so shaded and beautiful back here, so you can definitely enjoy dinner with the family on this deck. Down below is another deck for the lower space. So if you have your in-laws down there, they can have their own private space for dinner as well. Beautiful tree coverage, green space behind, lots of yard for the kids to run in. What more could you ask for in this beautiful space?
This is one of the more interesting rooms in the house because there's a lot of potential for it. What I envision is this is a perfect library. Just imagine, covered in books, you've got a roaring fire going in the winter. This room is so cozy. Don't like the wood burning? That's okay. Update it into a gas insert and you're set. But there's so much potential in this room, set off from the rest of the family room and the formal dining room. You've got so many opportunities here. I can't wait to see what you do with it.
If you are looking to run a home business, maybe aesthetics, lashes, nails, hairstyling, even a massage therapist, this space right off the front door is actually perfect for it. Your guest who comes to join is barely inside of your house. You have this space with a sink and a washroom attached and all this room in here behind it. It's actually perfect if you want to run a little small one-person home business. Even a home office is pretty great here too, completely set off from the rest of the house. But if you were looking to run an aesthetics business, that's exactly what I would want to do here. Here we are in the foyer with this grand staircase going upstairs, but right there behind me, that's the catwalk. So let's go check it out. Purse first. This is the primary suite, basically half of the house upstairs. You have access through there to the washroom, a full little hallway for yourselves, this walk-in closet, this huge room with lots of space for a king-size bed. There's so much room for activities, and access over here to the catwalk. Let's get stomping.
Long catwalk. Long catwalk. Long catwalk. Long catwalk. L-E-R. Long catwalk. L-E-R. I just move glad. Long catwalk. L-E-R. I just move glad. Long catwalk. L-E-R. I just move glad. Long catwalk. L-E-R. Long catwalk. L-E-R. I just move glad. Long catwalk. L-E-R. I just move glad. Long catwalk. L-E-R. I just move glad. Long catwalk. L-E-R. Catwalk, G-L-E-R. Catwalk, G-L-E-R. Catwalk, G-L-E-R. Catwalk, catwalk, G-L-E-R. Catwalk, G-L-E-R. Catwalk. G-L-E no catwalk. G-L-E no catwalk. G-L-E no catwalk. G-L-E-R. I just moved glad. M-U-G-L-E-R.
This ensuite is absolute dreams. The size of this tub, you can look out to the green space, barely anybody behind you. A beautiful shower right here, so much storage and double sinks. If you're going out for a night in the town, get ready in this room, or if you want to relax away from the kids, it's perfection. After all that runway, let's take a break and check out what this in-law suite is like. So here's its separate entrance. There's a deck just out there. This is the living room space. Behind me is the bedroom because this is the one that has a window. Over here there is a little kitchenette. There's a full washroom with a washer dryer, and then one more room. It has no windows, so it's great for a home office or storage. You have a door in between the two units, which is perfect because you can still access storage for the upstairs space right down here and not interrupt anyone down here in this lovely in-law suite.